Hey, my name is Kalam. In this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create AI image or art. It's absolutely free. So if you are interested, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any moment. This tool actually Adobe Firefly. This is 100% free. You can start right now. This link I will attach in description below. It's 100% free. So you need to log in here. When you log in, you need to wait 1 or 2 days for approve their program. Here is a lots of option, lots of images you can generate right now. I think it's better than Midjourney because Midjourney is a paid tool. Then you can use Adobe Firefly for 100% free. You have no cost. Here are lots of images, lots of arts. You can download any photo, any art. It's absolutely free. So this is a really beautiful picture. If I download this photo, this is a really good photo. Or if I download this photo, then click, then download, continue. Just wait few seconds for download. You can see this photo I downloaded now. Oh, this is a really good. This is watermark image, not for commercial use. This is a beta version. So if you want to more video about this topic,